Are you ready for the new school year? While you might have your kids' backpacks packed and lunches planned, there's one crucial thing you might be overlooking: the quality of the water your children drink every day. Today, we're going to talk about the impact of poor water quality on your child's health and how you can protect your family. Water is essential for our health, but did you know that the water coming out of your tap may contain contaminants that can seriously affect your child's well-being? From harmful microorganisms to chemicals like chlorine, lead, and arsenic, these substances can be found in your drinking water. While our water districts work hard to clean and treat our water, some of these contaminants still make their way into our homes. Children are particularly vulnerable to these contaminants. Their developing bodies and nervous systems are more sensitive, and because they consume more water relative to their body weight than adults do, they're at greater risk. Exposure to these contaminants can lead to serious health issues, including acute illnesses, developmental disorders, and even chronic conditions like cancer. So, what can you do to ensure your family's water is safe? At Anthem Air Conditioning, Heating and Plumbing, we're committed to helping you protect your home. That's why we've introduced our back-to-school healthy water specials. These packages are designed to give you peace of mind by ensuring that the water your family drinks is clean and safe. We offer 3 different packages tailored to your needs. Our A+ package includes a whole home water filter, a new tankless water heater, and a Moen Flow Smart Automatic Water Shutoff. This package provides the ultimate protection and is available for just $180 a month. For those looking for a bit more balance, our B package offers a whole home water filter, an automatic shutoff valve, and water heater maintenance with an anode rod, all for $100 a month. And finally, our C package at $66.60 a month includes a whole home water conditioner, water heater maintenance, and a new water heater anode rod. Each of these packages is designed to help keep your family's water safe and healthy throughout the year. Don't leave your family's health to chance. Make sure your children are drinking clean, safe water every day. To learn more about our back to school, healthy water specials, and how you can protect your home, visit our website or give us a call. Let's make this school year the healthiest one yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home safe and healthy.